Hello everyone! 皆さんこんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。今回のレッスンでは、もを勉強していきます。The in this lesson, you were gonna study the particle も。Let's get started. And next, we will study more. So more is added after the topic instead of what, when the statement about the topic is the same as the previous topic. So that means you cannot suddenly start the sentence with more. You need to have a previous sentence, then follow up something, or a previous topic, like the person you are speaking to say something, then you follow up regarding the topic. That's how we use more. And English can be also or to, to. Let's look at some example sentences. ジェームスさんは会社員です。Do you know what this means? So James is James, the person's name, then son. Son is added after name to show respect. Like James san, or if my name is Ayan, student's name is Scott san. So that means more showing respect. You could drop if it's a friends. If it's friends. Then what its topic is, then 会社員です。会社員 means company employee. Because if you break down 会社, so this part, 会社 on its own means company. Something in is indicate that meaning staff or member of something. So if you see this, sometimes they have some category of a pattern of the noun. But I just break down. 会社 means company. In is something. In means member of something. So basically member of company. So that's the first sentence. So when you use more, you have to use a follow-up something related to topic. So in this sentence, follow-up is regarding the 会社員 part. So it said that Scott is also a company employee. So they use the instead of what, here we use the more. Indicate meaning is also. Okay. Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. ジェームスさんは会社員です。スコットさんも会社員です。Then here in English has a or a. In Japanese, we don't have a direct translation. It's just direct. We use a 会社員 here. So this is those who cannot read hiragana yet. You can read it. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. ジェームスさんは会社員です。スコットさんも会社員です。I highly recommend to learn all hiragana because if you cannot survive just the Romanji, to be honest. All of my students will learn how to read and write katakana. Well, writing may not so much important, but to be able to read is help you to better pronunciation. If you have a better correct pronunciation, you can communicate well. So please study hiragana as well. So as I mentioned that when you use more, the statement about the topic is the same as previous topic. So in this case, 会社員 is a topic, so they use the more here. Let's look at another example. Repeat after me. 私は猫が好きです。犬も好きです。You know this sentence means? So that means I like cats. I also like dogs. So I just compared 猫と犬を compare したね。Sorry. I just compared cats and dogs together because they are like a popular pets it's a category is relevant. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 私は猫が好きです。犬も好きです。Okay, so that means I like cats. I also like dogs. Then if you drop this, you can also use it in formal way, which is 犬も好き like this. I'll give you some example sentence exercise. How would you say, I eat pizza? I also eat pasta. Informal expression. So that this topic is I is the same. So the where to put more is important. This sentence is that we need to pay attention for the object. Object is pizza, then also pasta. How would you say this?訳してみましょう。Alright. The answer would be ピザを食べる。Then next is パスタも食べる。So more position is after object because object is pizza and pasta. So we put instead of は or を we use a も。I dropped the I part. If it's very obvious, you don't need to say every time 私は like this. ピザを食べる。パスタも食べる。Second sentence. Those two people are having a conversation. So Tanaka said, I am a student. And Okamoto said, me too. How would you say that? So that would be 私は学生です。So that means I am a student. Then Okamoto said, me too. So please remember, you can also say me too is 私も like this. If it's a full sentence, that would be 私も学生です。But you can just take it off the part, 学生です part. Then you can say 私も。Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. 私は学生です。私も。はい。じゃあ、third sentence exercise. 訳してみましょう。I will go to supermarket. I also go to bookshop. How would you say that? Now you can say スーパーに行きます。行きます means that's the verb polite form go. Then に is a particle you use with indicate the destination. Then I also go to the bookshop. So that would be topic, the verb is the same go. But then you added にも is position here. 本屋にも行きます。So that's the how Japanese will say. So it's okay to have に here も or you can also simply say 本屋も行きます。It also makes sense. So both are okay because this に indicate the destination. This も indicate the meaning is also. So you can also say にも or just も行きます。Let's practice those two sentence pronunciation. Repeat after me. スーパーに行きます。はい。本屋にも行きます。はい。はい。では、このレッスンはここまでです。頑張りましたね。また明後日お会いしましょう。 Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments, please write it down. And then see you next time. またね。さようなら。